At Victory Hall in Austin, Texas, Viva's CIRCA multi-line railing system helps define the outdoor experience with clean lines and open views. Installed throughout elevated walkways, terraces, and shared gathering spaces, CIRCA brings a refined architectural presence while supporting safe, connected movement across the site. The system's horizontal rail profile complements the project's modern facade and landscaped courtyard, creating visual continuity from building edge to outdoor amenity space. Victory Hall demonstrates how CIRCA performs as a complete railing solution, delivering consistency, durability, and design clarity across the entire project.